Hi, I'm Anusha Iyengar. Welcome to Bollywood Life. We have Anita Hasnandani and her husband Rohit Reddy with us, and we're at the photo shoot of the backtalk.com that they've launched. So both of you guys share the cutest chemistry. And yeah, you do a lot of videos on Instagram. I especially love the Kuch Kuch Hota Hai one that you'd put up some time back. So are you two like this at work also?
We have different work life, so we do
No,
our
like
own
when
thing.
y'all are working for.
Yeah, so hopefully we'll be spending a lot of time together now.
Now with the back talk.
And we'll be doing a lot of other dub smashes. I think you're talking about the dub smash from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, right?
No, it wasn't a dub smash.
She's
You
talking about the
remember
television
yeah,
one.
Yeah,
Okay,
that was very
okay.
impromptu. Yeah, we keep doing such things, and hopefully we'll be doing that even while we're at work for the back talk.
So how did y'all decide to work with each other?
Yeah, see, actually, we both have a different profession entirely, right? So she's into acting, I was into banking, and we realized that in Bombay, right, the more you spend time outside, the less you spend time with each other, right? So we said we needed a reason also to work together, not to work, to spend more time together, and working together helps us achieve that.
Yeah, and also it's something that it's not acting, it's not for him the same thing. It's different, so
The challenge is different.
Yeah, the
it's
challenge.
new.
So it's very exciting and very thrilling as a couple to be working.
Were you always interested or into fashion?
I'm like the least fashionable person you'll come across. But no, what I was into digital, and this is a combination of fashion and digital. So fashion, she takes care of everything, and I help her with the digital aspect of it.
So what is one thing that you'll really love about each other and hate about each other? Like when y'all are working together?
Well, I think the fact that we share a friendship bond, which I think we love about each other, because we're comfortable at any given time. We can discuss anything, and I think that makes the relationship very, very strong. And what I hate about him, that he's just very, like after the shower, towel wahi chhod dena, and these little.
Talking about work, तो हमेशा towel पे घूम के क्यों आ जाती हो?
So
She's talking about work.
It's not about work. Why will I hate anything about you while working? He's too hardworking.
So that's a problem actually. We work too hard. At some point, we get very obsessive about work. I think that's something that we need to kind of step back.
You need to, not.
We all need to.
So are there any special Valentine's Day plans?
So everything this year is around the back
talk.
And we are gearing up for the launch. So, but we'll try to whisk away from Bombay for at least.
We will.
We could.
God, you're planning something.
So we should.
Honestly, I this year have no expectation because we're actually very, very busy with the back talk. But now that he's committed, we are going somewhere. I'm really excited.
Thank you so much, both of you.